kubanga ebifo byetuyingiddemu ebigenda okuba nga bitaasa abayimbi ne created all different aspects okutuusa eddoboozi lya buli omuntu okulaba nga there's a difference and there's a change in the music and the creative industry. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm very excited for and humbled okulaba muno bachuzinze mu bantu abangi nemba naso okubeera ku boodi ya youth system.
Ngamu abagenzi ku boodi ya youth system mugenda kuyamba mutya omuyimbi naddala National Theatre?
Engeri gye twakatandika nga obulabe we have just gone into today. So strategic plans zonna ze tugenda okuba nga tuziina tujja kuba tubalimiza as we see it. Right now naffe twakayingira mu mulimu katusoke tukole tuloke twawulire.
Biki ebimulaba byogenda okutereezaamu sofa ebibadde bikyagandisiza okuba nti bitegeera?
Ndowooza, right now tetusobola pinpointing because nze nva mu music industry ate waliyo film industry waliyo performing industry. So right now nga wetutudde situla kumanya all the aspects of kiki ekibadde kitawaanya in different domains. So ebyo byonna I think as we are moving forward tujja kuba nga tubitegeera ate tulaga engeri gye tugenda kubitereezaamu.
N'ogenda tandikirako sofa?
Ntandika ne board anti board erina okuddamu nayo netuula netugamba kati what's our strategy, what's our plans, what are the problems, how can we solve them throughout here. Kale owulira no byalise ku lunaku lwange nze nali nvuddeyo nenjogera namu about that thing. Kati singa nali njagala obbanyumiza nandibadde nabatumira amasango mubalimisa. But it's my private life, it has nothing to do with it. We're in the implementation process. That concert will be very exciting on the 22nd of June. That's why it's a performance of our Blue 3. We're missing Club Blue 3. We're looking forward to it. We're Talent Africa group. So, family, we're all very, very excited. Si kugaana batwagera ne tulaba mbino fans baffe tebajja kujjulamu Serena, and I think Blue 3 has a big fan base. So we saw we needed somewhere where it's more space, so catering up from all our fans when they want us. Yes. I think to a demo studio, we have been recording some songs. So we just now have a strategic planning of engaging music. So I think that's what you can wait for. Just yeah. A grant yajja to the Uganda National Musicians Federation Circle, not just the federation. This was a grant for the circle to kickstart and help artists, okutandika okubeera nga tulaba ebibadde bibonyabonya tufuna solutions. There's nothing you can do when you don't have money. But the circle is very good for all the artists and all its value chains. And I can encourage abayimbi bonna mufune engeri gye mujoining a circle, because in the end of the day, 0 cents is zero loans. It's not free money. It's moving through the circle to make sure we have a big circle that can help musicians after all the years of going through so much turmoil. Now it's I see a bright future for it. So artists out there, join the circle. We cater for all the artists and all the sub-regions. Yes. No, like any organization, we have more like a few breaks to organize and make something better. But the federation is going to be definitely jam session again. Come out. I'm going to tulanga dates will stand here. So yeah, keep your eyes. Jam session to Thank you. Thank you. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful for us. Enough to gather for a very long time. So it's one of the things that we're looking forward for. We're looking forward to the show. We're looking forward to touring and basically performing for our fans, not just in Uganda but all over Africa and outside.
I wish you the best.
Thank you. Have a good day, guys.